In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine videos in Clipchamp 5 minutes. We'll walk through getting into Clipchamp, bringing in your clips, lining them up on the timeline, and adding smooth transitions so your footage flows naturally from one scene to the next. Start by opening your browser and heading to Clipchamp's website. On the homepage, look for the Sign In button. When the Sign In options appear, choose Continue with Microsoft, then select your Microsoft account to proceed. After a brief moment, you'll land on the Clipchamp home screen. From here, create a new video. This opens the editor where you'll see your canvas in the center, a sidebar for tools and assets, and the timeline at the bottom. Before editing, bring your footage into the project by clicking Import Media. Select the video files you want to combine. Clipchamp will add them to your media library so they're ready to use. Now drag each video from the media library down to the timeline in the order you want them to appear. You can rearrange clips at any time by dragging them left or right until they snap into place. If you notice extra silence or unwanted bits at the start or end, hover over a clip edge and drag inward to trim, which helps keep your final sequence tight without deleting the original file. To create a seamless flow between clips, add a transition. Click the small area or plus icon between two clips to target the join. Then open the transition section in the sidebar. You'll see a variety of styles, simple dissolves, slides, wipes, and more. Preview a few to find one that matches your video's tone. When you're ready, drag your chosen transition onto the gap between the clips. You'll see it snap into place. If you want to fine-tune the pacing, select the transition on the timeline and adjust its duration by dragging its edge. A shorter transition feels snappier. A longer one adds a softer, more gradual change. Press play or tap the spacebar to preview how it looks and sounds in context. Repeat the same process for each join between your clips until your entire timeline plays as one cohesive video. At this point, your videos are combined with transitions in place. Give everything a final preview, check the order, and confirm there are no gaps. That's all it takes to combine videos in Clipchamp with clean, professional-looking transitions.